Is avocado toast good for breakfast? Avocado toast has gained immense popularity as a go-to breakfast choice. But is it truly a healthy way to kickstart your day? In this video, we'll explore whether avocado toast is good for breakfast. Let's break down everything you need to know about this trendy breakfast option. What is avocado toast? Avocado toast is a simple dish that consists of mashed or sliced avocados spread over a piece of toasted bread, often topped with various add-ons such as eggs, tomatoes, seeds, or even smoked salmon. It combines the creamy texture of avocado with the crunchy texture of toast, making it a delicious breakfast or snack option. The key ingredients include ripe avocados, whole grain bread, salt, pepper, and optional toppings like poached eggs, chili flakes, or microgreens. One slice of avocado toast can provide a range of nutrients such as healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, depending on the ingredients used. Like the video so far? Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel Kalp for more health-related tips and recipes. Why is avocado toast considered a healthy breakfast? There are several reasons why avocado toast is considered a healthy and balanced breakfast option. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health and help reduce bad cholesterol levels. A single serving of avocado toast can provide up to 7 grams of fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Avocados are a good source of potassium, magnesium, vitamin E, and B vitamins, supporting overall health. Plus, you can add a variety of nutrient-dense toppings, such as nuts, seeds, and fresh veggies to increase the nutritional value. When should you eat avocado toast? Avocado toast is versatile and can be consumed at any time of the day. However, it is most commonly eaten as a breakfast or brunch option due to its satiating properties. Eating it in the morning provides you with long-lasting energy. The combination of healthy fats and complex carbs gives you sustained energy throughout the morning. It can also be a great post-workout meal due to its balance of protein, fats, and carbs, which aids in muscle recovery. Where is avocado toast popular? Well, avocado toast has become a global trend, particularly in health-conscious communities. Originally popularized in cafes in California, USA, it is now spread worldwide, becoming a staple on many breakfast menus. Its popularity is especially high in urban areas and among millennials and health enthusiasts. Popular countries include the United States, Canada, Australia, and parts of Europe. Many cafes and restaurants offer a variety of avocado toast options, making it a trendy brunch item. Who should eat avocado toast? Avocado toast is suitable for a wide range of individuals, including health enthusiasts looking for a nutritious, easy-to-make breakfast that supports overall health. It's also great for weight-conscious individuals, thanks to its high fiber and healthy fat content, making it a good option for those aiming for weight management. Vegans and vegetarians will appreciate that it's naturally vegan and can be topped with a variety of plant-based ingredients. And for those needing a quick breakfast, avocado toast is quick and easy to prepare. However, people with specific dietary restrictions, like low-fat or ketogenic diets, should modify the recipe to fit their nutritional needs. How to make a perfect avocado toast? Making avocado toast is straightforward. Here's a simple method to get you started. First, choose the right bread. Opt for whole grain or multigrain bread for added fiber and nutrients. Next, mash the avocado. Cut a ripe avocado, scoop it out, and mash it with a fork. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and lemon juice for added flavor. Then, toast the bread until it's golden brown and crispy. After that, assemble by spreading the mashed avocado on the toast. Add your preferred toppings such as a poached egg, cherry tomatoes, or chia seeds. Finally, add finishing touches like a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of chili flakes, or a garnish of fresh herbs. Enjoy your healthy and tasty avocado toast. Conclusion: is avocado toast good for breakfast? Yes, avocado toast is a nutritious and versatile breakfast option when prepared mindfully. It offers a great balance of healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients that can help you feel satisfied and energized throughout the day. However, remember to watch your portion sizes and consider the type of bread you use to keep it healthy. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Kalp for more insights into health and wellness.